Okay, the business that I'm representing today is Natural Indigo Finland. We create dyes from natural products. I work in research and development, and I do, like on the side of the slide here, you can see a bunch of little samples. I do a bunch of those, like thousands. You can go to the next slide. These are some of the people that we work with. A lot of them are specific to Finland, but some of them, like Paulig and Mari Mekko and Nevertex probably, and Woodnotes, those are more European. And then the Aalto University is in Helsinki. Next page. So we use food industry and forest industry waste products to create natural dyes. We test them in small scale samples right close to where I live, and then we upscale and we work with the dye houses and clients to, um, work with the dye houses so that we can get what the client wants and work with the dye houses so that we don't make major mistakes when we're dyeing things. Next page. So a project that we are working on currently is with waste coffee. When they're roasting their coffee, the international beverage company Paulig, which if you guys know anything about coffee drinking in Finland, it's got like the highest per capita drinking of coffee. And so there's a bit of waste that comes from that. And so we can use that in a natural dye. And it's really exciting to see this process because I've been from the very beginning where we got the waste product into seeing it dyed in a couple of the industrial dye houses here, and it's been really cool to see my work very specifically go further. Next page. So the materials that we work with, this is actually kind of one of the best things and one of the worst things about natural dyes is that they work with natural fibers. So some man-made fibers they work with, like cellulose fibers, like lyocell and tencel, bamboo and viscose, but they don't usually work. Like there is still development happening um, in putting them on synthetic fibers. One reason for this is that in order to dye with natural dyes, you usually need a lower temperature. Like synthetic fibers need a higher temperature to heat set the dye into the synthetics. The other thing is that if you're working with a natural dye, it doesn't behave the same way as a synthetic dye, and you have to compensate for that. So benefit versus cause, it depends. Um, Next slide. Oh, that's my thank you slide. What would I say? One more thing. We're looking to connect with brands that are interested in kind of going out on the loop and trying something different, but that is actually not a new technology. Dyeing with natural dyes is an old technology. It's already been used before. It's not actually that new. Thank you for watching.